In this Hirevire review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software Hirevire. If you have any questions, please be sure to comment them down below, and I'll also leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Hirevire. Hirevire is a software that collects video interviews from job applicants, which makes your traditional interviews much better. So this is the main page, the main web page of the Hirevire software, and this is where it pretty much just tells you about the software and where you can actually either sign up for free or even buy the software or book a demo. So right here is the Hirevire logo, which is actually clickable and it should take you to the main page. And then right here is how it works: book a demo, pricing, blog, and log in and sign up for free. So as a beginner, you want to go ahead and actually click sign up for free, or if you're logging in and you've bought the software, you want to go ahead and click log in. So for the beginners, right here is where you'd go to actually find out about the software. You can actually watch a quick overview to see how the software works on this YouTube video, and then you can scroll through and pretty much see reviews of who actually likes the software. So once you've been through all that, we're now going to go onto the main software once you've logged in or even signed up for free. So here we go, this is it. This is the Hirevire main dashboard page. This right here is what you should see once you're first signed up or even logging in again. So I'm going to quickly go through each feature, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. So up here in the top left hand corner is the Hirevire logo again, and it is clickable like most softwares, which is a good feature, and if you click on that it should take you to the main page. Right below that is the job section. This is where you have any jobs that are added. So this is where you'd add your new job, and then right here is actually the demo job if you are on the demo trial. All the way in the top right hand corner is your account section, and if you click on that, this little arrow to the right of that, you can actually go into my account or even log out if you wish to do so. Right below the account section you can actually see this part right here, and once you click on that you can actually change your jobs from what is active to all to even archived. So if you have loads of jobs, you can actually go through these and see which ones again actually fit into the section. So now that we've been through each main feature in this pretty much dashboard section, we're going to go ahead and actually view this demo job and then add our own. So what you want to go ahead and do to view this is just click on it, or even click this little edit button, or even if you want to copy it, this is where you copy the link. So we're just going to click on the demo job, and once you've clicked on it, it should open up this page right here. So right here is where you can edit it, archive it, and it pretty much just gives you the title and the company for this demo job. Right here is the little video, which we're not going to play because we don't need to, but this is where you would actually have your own videos once we have created our own. Right down here is where you can share the link with your candidates, and then you copy the link right there. You have any questions right here if you actually want to add any questions, and then applications if you want to do that as well. So we have new, watched, shortlisted, and rejected. So once you've been through all this and pretty much seen what it's like to actually see the demo job, you want to go ahead and actually go back to the main section. Once you're back in the main section, we're now going to go ahead and add our own new job. So what we're going to go ahead and do is click add new job. So once you've actually gone ahead and added a job, or clicked added a new job, you should land on this page. So right here it says add a job, and then below that it says the introduction video. So this is where you'd upload your introduction video for the candidates, and then name your job title. Right below that we have add instructions for the candidates. Right here is where you'd add that. You can change any headings or paragraphs or boldness, pretty much like any other writing document. Below that we have the company details. This is where you'd write your company name, website and location, and then any questions down here you can have as a question which the candidates can actually reply to. So we're going to go ahead and actually go through this. This is where you'd upload an introduction video, which we don't have. So I'm actually just going to upload one of the clips I just recorded for this review. So once you've actually uploaded your introduction video just like this, I've just uploaded a random clip, you want to go ahead and actually type in your job title. So let's just say sales manager for a random job title, and then you'd go ahead and actually add instructions for the candidates. So right here is where you'd actually change any headings or titles or anything, and go ahead and we're just going to type in instructions. So once you've actually gone ahead and typed in your instructions, we're not actually going to type anything in particular. You'd go ahead and actually move on to the company details next. So now for the company name, we're just going to go ahead and make it reviews, and then we don't actually have a website, so we're just going to leave that. And then the location, let's just put UK. So now you want to go ahead and actually move on to the questions section where it says tell us about yourself. So this is where you can actually write in any questions for your candidates, and you can go ahead and actually put in anything you want. So to write another question, you go ahead and click add new just there, and you can actually add as many questions as you want. If you want to go ahead and actually get rid of one, you just got to click this little minus button right below it and then get rid of them. So right here it says tell us about yourself, and this is where you'd go ahead and actually write in your question. You'd actually go ahead and actually change the response type if you want to change it, so you can have them respond to your question in a video, files, or even text. So for this one, let's just say text, and then let's add a new one, and then put what is your desired position. So let's just say that's our next question, nothing in particular, and then for this response type we would keep it as video. So once you've gone ahead and actually wrote as many questions as you want to actually put in for your candidates and filled out all your information, you'd go ahead and click save. It should take a few seconds, as you can see here, for the video to be uploaded and all of your information to be saved, but it doesn't take too long. So now all the way back at this main page, you can see our sales manager job position has now been saved. It gives you the title, when it was created, and then you can go ahead and actually edit it or even copy the link. So now if you were actually giving out this to any applicants or any candidates, you just give them the copy link, and then that's where they'd actually input their videos with the questions that they're answering. So as you can see, if we go to actually edit it right here, it now takes us to this section where it pretty much just says edit the job. You can scroll through, edit this like we just have, and then click save once again. So now you can see we have the sales manager position, the company, the location, edit and archive it, instructions, share this link with your candidates just like all of the demo job which we viewed at the beginning of this review. So now once you've actually had candidates putting it in and giving you actually results, this is where they'd show up all the way at the bottom in the application section. But because we don't have any candidates, we don't have any results yet. So now we're going to go ahead and actually archive this and then click yes confirm, and you'd go ahead and create your own job from scratch again. And there we go, that is it for the Hirevire software review. Overall, I think it's a really great software for actually job applications and a new way of actually having applications. A few features I liked is how easy it is to actually create a new job application for candidates to actually submit their results. It's really easy to use and a really good software to actually navigate, and really good for beginners if they're just using the software to start with. I also like how it has a demo feature that you can actually use and play about with before you actually go ahead and buy the software to start off. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I absolutely would. Any company or anyone in particular looking for a way to actually connect better with their candidates, this is probably the best one for videos and text and actually answering any questions and pretty much introducing yourself to any candidates that you want in the application. Overall, I think it's a really great software and I would use it myself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.